Okay, now let's talk about the admin center, okay, because I use it in my first section of my course, and I'm going to show you how to install it and how to use it. Okay, so let's go here on one of my server. It's red server, okay, and I will just go in Google Chrome, and I want to install the admin center. Okay, so I'm going to type download admin center of Windows 2019. Okay, and here's the admin center. So I can download the admin center here, so I will download it on my server here, and here I have my admin center. Okay, so I will continue here. I will just fill in all my information here, and I will download directly here. Okay, I'll fill everything. I just fill in everything here, and here I have my admin center. So let's install it. Okay, so admin center is the new admin center web server, remember, so you can configure and access to all your server by just a web page. I'm going to go next here, and the admin center has been installed. Okay, that's why I have changed here. Okay, normally I can remove the admin center here or change the admin center. Okay, so let's just remove it. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to remove the admin center, and I'm going to install it again. So removing the portal site files, everything, and I will install it again. So like this, I'm going to show you how to install it from scratch. Okay, removing files, and I will just reinstall it again. Okay, so let's go here in my download file folder, and I will go in download and admin center. So you just have to accept here, and we can require diagnostic here data, and I don't want to use Microsoft Update, so I'm going to do next here. So I'm going to let everything here. Okay, I'm not going to select other option, and I'm going to select yes. And here's the port for free, and he will generate a self-signed certificate. Okay, will expire in 60 days. So that's the best way is to use your certificate. Okay. And so I'm going to use just a self-signed certificate just to show you how to install it. But after in production, you must install your certificate. So I'm going to click on install here. Oh, he's setting everything, setting the port, the firewall. And here I have the URL, okay, to access my here. So it's for free, okay. So this is how I can access it, okay. So for free. And here I'm going to type the name of my administrator and the password. And I'm going to do OK. Okay, and doesn't support this browser. Okay, that's normal because I must use my Chrome. It's going to be supported here. So I'm going to connect here. Okay, and I'm going to type my password. And voila, I'm connected. So I just install it, okay, and I see that now it's been upgraded to Angular. Okay, Angular is the language developer. Okay, so I can go here, and I can, for example, go on this server. Okay, this is my red here, or I can go in Server Manager, and I can see Computer Management. Okay, and here I have my overview of my server. Okay, I can see that the computer name, the domain name, the operating system, the CPU here. See. I can see, of course, all my event here if I want. So be able to see all my application event here. I can go and file and sharing. That's very nice. So I can see also all my firewall. So I can see all my incoming rules and outgoing rules. So it's very nice. I can see the apps that are actually installed here. So I can see all the apps here. So I can go on one of the apps, for example, and I can see information. I can remove it if I want. I can see my local user and group here, group and user. I can see my network. I can access my process here, okay, and I can run PowerShell. Wow, amazing. So I have my PowerShell here. Okay, he asked me for my password. And I can just, through web browser, type all the command that I usually type here, and wow, it is amazing. I can see all my process here. Okay, I can see my registry. I can do a remote desktop if I want here. I can see all my role and feature installed here, so I can see what is installed, what is my role and feature is installed here. I can see all the security aspect if I want. Okay, virus and feature protection. I can access my storage. Okay, so wow, amazing. So if I go back here in server in Windows Admin Center, I can add, if I want, another server here. I can add here, and I can one of my server. I can search Active Directory, and I can search, for example, for AD. And here's my AD. Okay, I can search for another one if I want. I don't know, for example, AD2. I can search for it, and here I have. Okay, so let's say that I want to have information with my AD. I'm going to select it here, and I'm going to do add here. And I can go now on my AD, and I can use my Windows and continue here to access it. Okay, so use my Windows account and I use another account. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So it's going to be fluctuation IT administrator and the password PA, and that's it. And I do continue here. Okay, and I'm connected now to my server here. So same thing here. I can go and I can same thing that I did before. I can have all information about my server here, and this is very nice. I can see here even my CPU, my memory, my internet connection. Wow, crazy. I can have also access to tools like Azure Monitor if I want. I can integrate with Azure Monitor. I just have to sign in to Azure app here and select my Azure Global here, for example. And I can copy this code here, and I can connect to Azure AD. Okay, so I can enter the code here directly, and I can do next here, and I can connect with my admin center, and I just have to have my subscription to Azure here. It's very nice. I can also do Azure file sync. If I want, I can go in Azure Backup to backup all with Azure Backup. I can just set up Azure Backup. This is very, very nice. I have my Azure Security Center. This is a trail, so it can install an agent here on my server and help me to protect me for add-on free protection. I can see all my devices here. So yeah, it's really very, very nice here. So in Server Manager, I can see all connection here. I can add other server. If I go here in Admin Center, I can also add like add server or connect, manage. So it's really very nice. So that's Admin Center, and let's finish with what is sysinternals.